चाय सुन के ही कितना अच्छा लगता है ना। वही घर वाली फीलिंग, वही मसालेदार चाय। क्यों सबको चाय इतनी पसंद है? क्यों सब चाय के दीवाने हैं? किसी के लिए चाय सुकून है तो किसी के लिए चाय रिश्ते बनाने का जरिया। किसी के लिए चाय ठंड की गर्माहट है, किसी के लिए चाय अकेलेपन से निकलने का जरिया। बट वही बचपन की यादें ताज़ा करने के लिए आई थॉट इफ आई एवर गेट टू स्टार्ट अ टॉफी ब्रांड, I wanted it to be chai flavored. It's so nostalgic, and of course I wanted to name it as Chai Ki Chuski. You see, India is obsessed with chai. People drink chai twice a day and know where demand is going to go down. We immediately think of chai flavored toffee. So let's not get into technical things because here we are talking about marketing and branding perspective. I have prepared mood board for it, so let's get started. Yeah, I wanted to do a caramel chai mix. Definitely it should be tempting, right? Otherwise who wanna eat those toffees? So let's start with the first part of branding, that is logo. And this is my inspiration for the logo. I have brown, beige, pink and blue color in mind. And I also took out some inspiration pictures for branding and logo. Also, I made few Indianized logo, but I don't think I am happy with those. It doesn't giving me that wow valley feeling. I wanted to make something different. At the same time, it should be easily recognizable, right? This is not something which I want to do. I wanted it to look very Indian, so I thought of using mascot, and I'm particularly obsessed with this mascot. It looks so cute, like with that mustache thing, and it's so Indian thing. And I also wanted to make it minimal, but at the same time very recognizable. This is what I've finalized, and I'm in love with this logo. Yeah, packaging. You see, here I've added, those bachpan wali toffees, unka wrapper. It is so nostalgic. And also left side, you can see that I've added like ginger, cinnamon, elaichi, pudina. So that is for the flavors. I want the packaging to look very Indian and nostalgic. And also I wanted to play with flavors like adrak, pudina, elaichi, all these masalas. Makes it so much fun, like you get a hint of adrak in it and it just something different. I want chai to be recognized globally, and it's something that India should be given credit for. You see, I have prepared this aesthetic and theme mood board here, and it looks very Indian, classic, and you see that radios, cassettes, telephones. It is giving very nostalgic vibe. Also, this poppins. Remember poppins, कच्चा आम, फिर this mango toffee. ये हमें बचपन की याद दिलाता है. So I want कि ऐसी थीम हो मेरे पेज की. We already know that chai is now globally recognized flavor in the name of chai tea latte. But none of these brands give credit to India. Just like Lotus Biscoff became everyone's favorite flavor, I feel that day is not far where chai flavored cheesecake brownies will be sold in a cafe. Now let's see the final result. I'm quite excited for it. I'm waiting for it to share it with you all.
ये मेरी चॉकलेट है, इसने मेरी चॉकलेट ले ली।
क्या कर रहे हो तुम दोनों? जल्दी करो, स्कूल के लिए लेट आ रहा है। तुम दोनों जगत ना बंद करोगे। अब मुझे कोई नाटक नहीं चाहिए, बस आती ही होगी।
वो दीदी की ट्रिक अच्छी थी, हम दोनों को चॉकलेट मिल गई। हाँ, अब से यही ट्रिक यूज करेंगे।
क्या हुआ? कैसी लगी मेरी ट्रिक?
और तुम कौन हो मैडम जी?
give me feedback also. And this is something I'm going to continue it over time. So can you please give me some ideas? आप ये product पे बना सकते हो and all of that. It is really fun and exciting for me. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay?